Okay, here we go. So, in tradition of Cinco de Mayo, I'm gonna make some margaritas. I'm gonna make the traditional one that goes in a margarita glass, and the one that goes in a rock glass. If you want to be, masculine, drinking a Chimay, he's not drinking that shit in a margarita glass. Like, okay. So what you do is you're gonna take your 2 glasses. Now you're gonna pretend number one that these are glasses. I'm at bartender school right now, but it's supposed to have all the size and like super janky right now. But that's okay. I'm still gonna make my point. The point is pretend like these 2 glasses. The margarita glass for you, the rock glass for him. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your mixer, you're gonna fill it halfway right. Then you're gonna take his rock glass and you're gonna fill it with ice. Right? And then you're gonna fill your margarita glass with ice and chill it with some water because you want your glass to be real, nice and cold too. Then take the cherry. Taco. It's not a bad brand. It's not like okay, just home and all these other high brand, but you will not have a hangover. It's decent, but you can use whatever tequila or something. This is really good to make the. Well, use 1 ounce. Right, I'm a little heavy. Okay, then you use 2 with some sour mix. 2 ounces. Then you're gonna grab your lime juice. And it took a second. It tastes like orange. And then you're gonna add the triple sec. And then you're gonna add your lime juice. And you think it's so tangy and delicious.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Mix it. Shake it up, right? After you shake it up, your imaginary margarita glass.
Sounds like a
You're about to ice water, the lime, and you rub it around the rim.
And the cherry.
Then you're supposed to put it in salt, but I like sugar. Put it in the sugar.
Where's that?
And take the strainer.
Oh, okay.
Pour it into your margarita glass.
Oh, I see. Okay, so just trading. Okay. How was the place though? Was it like busy? Did people make the money? Cool. What kind of
Shake it up.
place were you in, like drink wise? What kind of drinks mostly was there?
Pour it right back into the rock glass.
So like their own drinks?
Both get lime garnish. And
Okay, I know how to make that. Yeah, Long Island's are easy.
But he's your man, so he's not using that. And
Yeah.
the margarita glass, I look have it short. So
Gin, have rum, have tequila, and then
just say cheers. You probably have 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah, I make those all the time.
And enjoy your Cinco de Mayo.